Hi there, this is Monkey from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website blueteamnetworks.com. So I'm on a homepage. I really love the logo. The first impression is the website looks very professional. I love the clear images in the sliding banner. I love the taglines. I love that you've got calls to action. I would make the taglines a little bit shorter because you give only a few seconds. So it feels like you're rushing your visitors to read through the taglines, to decide if they want to click it or not. So think about from user experience. First of all, the sliding images should have minimum of 7 seconds time between before they change. And obviously make sure that the taglines are really straightforward, simple, and they allow to understand what each information represents for brand new visitors, because you probably have got mix of traffic from brand new visitors and obviously from people familiar with your brand. So you have to make sure that you cater to all types of audiences. However, the top navigation is nicely organized. I like the drop down menu, so it's minimal but very user friendly. The rest of the homepage looks really good. I love those icons. Um, I would link them to the services. Obviously, people can click on them and obviously maybe perhaps think about making this text to fit within four lines, and the titles within one line to give it more sleek, more professional finish. Okay, so this is so it allows me understand a little bit more. So you protect, you give passwords. People can store passwords in one place, so all the people working together can access them from one place. Okay, so that's good. Okay, on-site support. Again, these taglines are quite long, so really give people comfortable time to familiarize themselves with the messages you want to send. Microsoft Cloud Solutions for all budgets. Okay. Again, I would add calls to action so people can act upon these messages. So, for example, act to those services, or I don't know, contact you, whatever your goal is for this message. Obviously, to improve the conversion rate. Okay. Okay, it feels like there is something missing, so I suppose you had the call to action here. However, it is off because you mentioned start your journey, but it's not linked anywhere, so make sure to optimize each element for conversion. However, your footer looks really good. I noticed your social media links open new tabs. I'll just hyperlink the email address. However, the footer looks really fantastic. Um, I would add a little bit more enticing tagline to prompt people to sign up, but I like the Twitter feed as well. I'm not sure if you are aware that your website browser is, I've got a message that is not secure, which means that probably you are not using HTTPS address, which is basically standard right now. So it can definitely affect your SEO and can definitely affect your position in Google. So think about switching to HTTPS, which is basically now a standard. Yes, you are using old-fashioned HTTP, so I do recommend switching to HTTPS secure URL. Okay, your collection page looks great. Again, I would optimize it for conversion a little bit more. There is no calls to action. It's not linked to click it, to buy it, or to contact you. So think about from user experience, think about the goal that you want people to do on your website. At the moment, it is very sleek, beautifully looking website, but it's not optimized for conversion yet. Your SEO score is quite low, it's 37 out of 100, which I believe it could be due to HTTPS domain at the moment. It's not secure. You also have two different domains pointing to your website without 301 redirect, which means that Google reads them as two websites with duplicate domain, which can definitely affect your SEO and your organic ranking. Mm, Your Google snippet needs optimization. The meta title is very, very generic, so think about adding a bit more details to stand out in the search results. Your H tags are not in the right order. You're missing H1 tag, which is the most important for Google, and they are much too long. They should be between 2 or 3 words. Really, they shouldn't form sentences. So you shouldn't really optimize like part of the sentence as the tag, because it's considered as black hat SEO. So H tags should really be that long, but they should be SEO friendly. They should contain your target keywords, and they should be placed in the right order. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and then H6. Your website loads pretty slow, so nearly 3 seconds, which is on the verge of being not user friendly. It will be very difficult for you to climb to the top of Google with such a slow loading website. At the moment, majority of the websites I come across load within 1 second, under 1 second. This is the new standard. So make sure to aim for this new standard. 3 seconds, maybe it was standard about 2 or 3 years ago. It was acceptable. Now each year the user experience get faster, and users are more accustomed to fast loading websites. The expectations is much higher. So make sure to work on that. There are a few issues that need attention. So this is the area I would focus. Apart from the conversion rate, apart from the HTTPS, obviously securing your website and making sure that it's more user friendly. If you like this critique, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you'd like to speak with an online expert, please book a free chat with our expert. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat. You can ask any questions about how to optimize your website. If you would like more clarification about anything mentioned in the audit, please book a free chat. And I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome tips.